Good morning, good afternoon, it's 12:30. I had a rough night. Not really, rough as in I just like passed out in like my clothes, so I woke up feeling terrible. And it's raining. Currently sunny, but it's raining. Will be raining, so not a whole lot of exciting stuff this weekend, unfortunately. But what I will get done is currently Kaleb setting up his SAFC in his Majesta because he got one the other day. He's just using mine for reference on which wires to tap. I'm moving my car up because I want to do eyelids on the taillights and headlights on this because it's black and you can get away with murder on a black car. And I reckon it'll look kind of cool, and I've got heaps of excess gloss black vinyl wrap. And the puddle light kits are in, so I'll get some fucking sick videos of that tonight. I wanted to do some on Kaleb's car as well, and Jess is coming around to pick up his kit. Might fucking convince him into installing his kit here as well, so we can all fucking get some sick fucking videos of it. But yeah, that's pretty much it. So nothing super exciting. Maybe something exciting. I shouldn't be saying nothing exciting this week because that's not how I engage viewers, is it? But you know, what's engaging about me doing random shit every weekend? Currently looking at the sheep because they're kind of curious about my car starting. I'm just trying to think what else I might actually do, but I think it's pretty much just going to be little bits and pieces. Can't really do anything on the Majesta because it's kind of like tidy now. I can't really undo everything I've just done to start doing the turbo shit because I want to kind of drive it for a little bit now. I need to do rego on that soon. I need to put new tyres on this actually because these are bald as fuck, and yesterday on the way to work it was like shaking the whole way because it was pissing down rain, and that's pretty wild feeling. So definitely worth doing because I never got a wheel alignment after I lowered it. But that's what I'll do. I'll work out and I'll measure exactly how big the lips are that I need to order for this car so I can get lips for it, rebuild the wheels, and fucking have another sick car as a daily with heaps of camber that's going to be super useless. Anyway, I'll get up there and record some bits and pieces, but I hate the rain, man. It makes me feel so flat. I just like can't be bothered. Also, we have ducklings now, so I might chuck a video of them in later because they're pretty cute. Backing up this is just awesome. So both the eyelids are done now, and it looks way fucking better. I need to wash the whole car now, but now I'll do the tail lights, I think. Goes fucking exciting. And for the rear ones, I will go that far down with like the tiniest angle on them, I reckon, because if they're like totally flat and any further down, it's going to look like a chaser. It probably still will, but we'll have to wait and see. So I'll see how these ones go. Once again, I basically haven't recorded anything all day, but I'm currently about to fit a tyre for Kaleb, which I love doing oh so much, because that one's got an egg on it because it's just a shit tyre. But I'd convince everyone to do puddle light kits. So now me, Kaleb, and Jess have puddle light kits on cars. Kaleb's is like basically done, and Jess's is basically done. And it's gonna be sick because everyone's gonna have them. But it's Kaleb's done, installed. Not really, not installed yet, but fucking Kaleb's other one. And oh shit, this is pretty much back on. Hello. What's up? Fuck. Yeah, cool. All right, so everyone's basically done, which is sick. And that's the only update for like the next 4 hours. So I just fucking smacked my head on a tyre lever fitting Kaleb's tyre, which is just great. But fucking Jess got his done. And Kaleb is probably fucking seconds away from his. Is it working? Fuck, I like it. Wow, I'm kind of annoyed about my forehead.
I would be. It's fucking annoying, man.
It's a shit spot for it.
Right in the middle, not anything behind anything.
Look at you go, you're full like soldering it before you even test it. Yeah. Absolute fucking maniac. Now, I'll fucking update that in a sec, but... Oh, take that door. Fucking cunt. That's shit. And this tyre is fucking a dog to fit, so... God damn it, that's such an annoying spot for a fucking cut. And it's not even like a long cut, it's just like a little... Like it looks like I've scratched someone on my face, that's so shit. I don't know. Anyway, shock me. Me going a weekend without hurting myself. Not possible. But this tyre is so shit, I have decided to... Whoa. What happened there? That's weird. There we go. I've just decided to cut it open. And actually how I cut myself was this was down here, and then I had another one up there, and that flicked out because I was holding two by myself and cutting it, and it just smacked me in the forehead. So alright. I'm officially never fitting tyres again because that absolutely sucked, but we're on the way to go get food. And I want to take some videos of all three of them because it looks so sick with all three of them now having lights. Probably a little bit chaotic because they're all flashing differently, but oh well. Yeah, I fucking absolutely destroyed the tyre trying to fit it, which sucks, and I owe Kaleb a tyre now because it's my fault. But fucking hell, yeah, tyre fitting is shit, and our tyre machine's like not made for really low profile, fucking properly fitting tyres. Stretch tyres, fucking no worries, but tyres that fit properly, absolutely not for me. Anyway. And that mess is going to be a shark fin, obviously, because mine flew off and mine was a cool Beat Sonic one. And I can't find it now, like on eBay. I've also looked for about 2 minutes, so I'm not going to continue looking. I'm just going to make one because this is going to be good practice to make a mold from. This little plug that took maybe half an hour to get a rough shape out of and some body filler on so it goes hard so I can lay mat over it. And yeah, it was pretty quick, pretty straightforward. It's a pretty basic shape to make sort of thing, but I just want to make one that I think fits the car really nicely and is proportionate because all the other ones you can get are way too small sort of thing. Actually, there is one in the car that I will grab really quick. I borrowed off Kaleb for the for something that happened the other day because I had no antenna, still currently don't. What is this doing? Oh, here we go. And wow, okay, this is exactly why I wanted to make a shark fin. I'll sit them side by side before I show you. There you go. So, this camera's being dicky again. There you go. Size does not matter, or whatever the saying is, but shape fucking makes all the difference. This is like literally a blob of fucking bog, and it already looks better than this little shark fin. I'll sit this on the car and you'll see what I mean. This thing's fucking ugly as hell, but it does the job, so. Fuck, the pollen is fucked. This is ridiculous. This thing's like spotless and it's covered in pollen, but yeah, see, in proportion to the rest of the car, looks kind of dumb, in my opinion, and I have the technology to make them, so I'm just gonna, like I said, finish this up, probably go to bed tonight because it's freezing, and the bog's going to take ages to go off. But finish shaping this out and then fucking pull a mold from it. I might do a 2-part one so I can practice that. And then, yeah, that's pretty much it. Make a mold and then make a carbon little shark fin thing. So that'd be kind of cool. Make my first carbon part. And because I got the mold, I can make them out of fiberglass and stuff anyway. And if the carbon looks shit, I can just paint it. No big deal. It's going to be purely for aesthetics because my antenna doesn't work. It's not hooked up. I can't even get radio stations from Australia anyway. But that's going to end this one. I know I didn't record anything today, but I had a bit of a lazy day. I was out pretty late last night, and then Emily and Josh came over to check out the goats. So we just hung out with the animals and then got some food. And now it's fucking like 6 o'clock, 6:30 or something. So I'll edit this video and then go to bed. And then next week it might be something interesting. Maybe. I don't know. Something interesting should happen soon, hopefully. I just need to record more. I do somewhat interesting things. But I guess they are just weekend vlogs. It's just how my weekend really is. Nothing that crazy. Anyway, thanks for watching. See you next time. I guess I'm getting pretty close with this camera. I'm getting a bit comfortable, aren't I? Bye.